Hi friends, isn't this a beautiful project? A beautiful fingering that I made as a set to go with the matching earrings I have shared with you all just some time back. Okay, so try making this ring as well to go with a pair of earrings. It will be a good set and a good match. So come along, let's get started. Alright, come. So I've threaded in 4 of these large beads, blue beads, and 4 of the silver beads. Okay, so let's make a knot. So I've made a couple of knots and made a square. Run this needle and thread through the entire square one more time, so you make it nice and secure. All right. So we've come round one full square, tie a couple of knots, now from the direction in which the thread is coming out, take 7 of these seed beads and get into the next seed bead here. Do the same thing all around on all 4 sides. Last one also would be 7 beads. Okay, get into this bead here. All right, now get into the 4th bead here. Leaving the center bead here, we need to pass through 4 more beads. At this 4th bead, take 3 beads, seed beads, go through the same bead, again come through all the 4 beads here, this is how it look. We are at this point. Okay, at this point take just 1 bead and get into this bead here. Okay, this bead and the next 4 beads. Sorry, next 3 beads. Okay, so that makes it 1 2 3 4. All right. One moment. So here we are at the center point. Do the same picot here as well. Take 3 beads and go through this last bead we came out of and back into all the 4 beads here. Now take 1 bead and get in here through all 4 beads. So we do the same thing in the remaining 2 corners and the center. All right. So here we are. Here we are. Let's move on to the next step. Now pass through this entire loop here and come to this point, the topmost point. Okay. The center where we had inserted just 1 seed bead in between. This one, if you remember. Now take 3 seed beads and get back into the same bead and go all the way around this corner. Come to the center bead on this side. Take another 3 beads and go back into the same bead and all around. Do the same thing on all 4 sides. So we have done with the base for the fingering. All right, and we come to this point here, and take 5 seed beads as we did in the earring video. Okay, so take 5 seed beads and go to the center bead here. To the center bead take 3 beads through this same bead again. Come through these 2 beads, take another 3 beads, come through this bead, top bead only, come back up, okay. Now into this top bead here, 3 more beads, do the same thing and keep building on the band for whatever length you want for your finger. Just keep building on this band, and we'll meet when we come to this point, okay, opposite point where we should be joining the band. All right, stay tuned, friends. We have come to the end of this band. We need to join it to the other end, okay. 5 beads like we've taken here, we need to take 5 beads on this side also. I've taken 5 beads. Now get back into this topmost one here, come to the center bead of the 5. From this point we need to get into the topmost bead on the opposite side. Okay, this one here. All right, now go back in from the other side into. Now do this a couple of times more. Feed the needle through a couple of notches down, and then you can knot it off in a couple of places. Do that twice or thrice. So here we are, friends, with our beautiful ring with a matching set of earrings to go with it, shown in my last video. All right, so try it out for yourself, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the project as much as I did doing it and showing it to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the videos through and through, and share with your contacts, your friends, your family, and just about anybody. All right, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Good night.